Hello everybody and welcome back to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make some fresh beets and I'm going to show you how delicious they can be, and of course they're a highly nutritious vegetable. These are beautiful beets that I got at the grocery store. This is the beet season right now, so they're absolutely perfect and delicious. And you want to get the beets with all the greens and the stems. Why? Because you get two vegetables in one. We're going to cook the beets, and then we're going to cook the stems and the greens, and I'm going to show you how beautiful and delicious and edible they are. Alright, so what we've done is we've prepared the beets. We've peeled and quartered the beet itself. We've rinsed the leaves and the stems. We've chopped up the stems into about 1-inch pieces and coarsely chopped the leaves. We're going to cook these two separate from that. They're going to cook at different rates, so we're going to have like 2 recipes in this video. Alright, so I've got the beets over there in a pot of water, which we're going to bring to a boil and cook them till they're soft like potatoes. Now in a skillet, I've got a generous amount of my Calabrian hot chili butter, which I'll put a recipe in the notes. Again, this is like the 4th time I've made it since I posted the video, and it is just delicious. It's a staple in the house. And to that we're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of water and bring it up to a boil. And what we're going to do is we're going to steam the stems first and get them softened before we add the leaves. Alright, once this is boiling, we're going to turn it down to medium-high, and we're going to add another version of my Cheater's garlic, about a generous teaspoon, as well as some sea salt. We'll call that a teaspoon there too. Alright, they've been cooking for about 10-15 minutes, and you can see most of the water's boiled off. They're getting nice and soft. What we're going to add is some fresh squoze lemon juice here for brightness. Probably about the juice of half a lemon. And to that we're going to add the chopped greens. Now we're going to continue to cook these until they wilt down, and then they're ready. Alright, so here's a bowl of steaming goodness. This stuff is a nice side dish, especially around the holidays. It looks beautiful. It tastes fantastic. Wow, it's hot and steamy. The brightness of the lemon, the zing of the red pepper flakes and stuff, and the butter, of course the sweetness of the butter. This just makes an excellent and very healthy and nutritious dish. I highly recommend it. Very edible. Now let's go ahead and wait till the beets are done, and we'll check those out. Alright, so the beets are cooked all the way through. They're soft like a potato that you've boiled. Now to that we're going to add a generous dollop of butter and some sea salt, I guess 1.5 teaspoons. And we're going to combine all that together. Then we're going to go ahead and put it in a bowl. Alright, the beets are beautifully seasoned. The richness of the butter and the salt counterbalance the sweetness of the beets. Beets are very sweet, and they have such a delicious flavor, especially when it's this time of year and they're in their prime. Again, they're super high in vitamins A, K, and potassium. Excellent side dish for the holidays. I recommend you give them a try. They're much better than the canned beets, which are horrible and taste like metal. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all have a great day.